What's up, y'all? This is Vaughn. We're in the deep woods of Salters, and I'm here with Tutu, and he about to show y'all why the game is over. And Tutu, do your thing, man.
So many times I can hear her saying she's finding it so hard to trust, but still you want to give good love, yeah. Baby, my love is yours if you're willing. Take control of hard times. Learn to say what's on your mind. Cause reality is what our hearts seeking. And we know that we can find what love is worth. And that somehow we can learn to come together. There's a chance that we find heaven yet on earth. But we can't keep going in and out of love door.
Listen. It's a little quick intro. I got a lot of this for you. We could tear the club up tonight. It's Thursday night. You know what I'm saying? And sit back, relax, and enjoy yourself. This is part 1. Learn something.